एक सेकंड माय लॉर्ड ने जस्टिस याया अफरीदी और जस्टिस बंदू खेल दोनों ने कहा एंड एज अर्लियर जस्टिस मुनीब साहब ने the determinant factor is the election nomination paper, but if there's an erroneous decision of the election commission not accepting those nomination papers and declaring all those members as independent, this entire controversy stems from that order, in which order they have grossly misinterpreted this court's judgment. Now, why should the people be prejudiced for something which the Election Commission did not perform with, speaking for myself, its duty in accordance with the Constitution? There's another fact, undisputed fact, that the constitutional body Election Commission, through an order dated 2nd of February 2024, declared all of them not as candidates of a political party but independents. Now that's an order of the Election Commission. They have declared them as independents and they were not left with any choice.
My Lord, the issue over here is that these persons who got elected and elected as independent members and were notified as that notification.
एक सेकंड माय लॉर्ड ने जस्टिस याया अफरीदी और जस्टिस बंदू खेल दोनों ने कहा एंड एज अर्लियर जस्टिस मुनीब साहब ने the determinant factor is the election nomination paper, but if there's an erroneous decision of the Election Commission not accepting those nomination papers and declaring all those members as independent, this entire controversy stems from that order, in which order they have grossly misinterpreted this court's judgment. Now, why should the people be prejudiced for something which the Election Commission did not perform with, speaking for myself, its duty in accordance with the Constitution?
My Lord,
मखदूम साहब देख लीजिए कि क्या किसी कैंडिडेट ने नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म जमा करवाने के बाद ये कहा है कि मैं अपनी एफिलिएशन से विड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ?
Yes, my Lord, those were the two forms I was pointing out which have been filed by the Election Commission.
But that was after the acceptance of the nomination papers.
My Lord, the papers are accepted because, may I just show to your Lordship the form?
And we have the total number of candidates that we're talking about. You're referring to only two people.
My Lord, I am going by the record of the Election
Right.
Commission.
So the total number, because to my mind, the question really is that on 4th of March, the ECP itself goes ahead, announces a result saying that you're independent. And how do they come up with that? Because before we get into Article 51 and all, the question would be this starting point, how are they declared independent?
My Lord,
I think this will be evident from Form 33, which was the initial stage.
my Lord,
Finally,
yes,
वहाँ से जारी
but
होती है,
if your
फिर
Lordship
देखा
may
जाएगा
see,
कि क्या
form, may I take your Lordship to an actual Form 33, and thereafter, if your Lordship looks at page 166 of Part 2 of CMA 5840, page 166. Your Lordship will see page 184 is the ticket of the party. Page 184. Part 2, my Lord. Part 2 CMA.
This is not a general election.
CMA 5840, Part 2.
166 page
Page 166 से शुरू होता है डॉक्यूमेंट. Page 184 पर.
नहीं आप आई एम सॉरी क्या किस पेज से शुरू कर रहे हैं आप?
My Lord, page 166.
नहीं बट पेज 166 तो बाय इलेक्शन है, तो ये जनरल इलेक्शन है ही नहीं. ये तो इसकी कोई रेलेवेंस ही नहीं है.
No, this is this page.
Part 2.
बाय इलेक्शन
Is your Lordship looking at CMA 5840, Part 2?
168 is the relevant page.
166. My apologies.
I belong to, it says.
Yes. If your Lordship may also see page 184 then.
मखदूम साहब
May I just, my lord, with your lordship's permission?
Why were they compelled to apply for the symbol of PTIN?
I don't know, my lord.
No, everyone knows why. Makhdoom Saab, these are bitter realities known to everyone. That what was happening.
My lord, I will go by the pleadings, just as some of the council yesterday went by the pleadings.